Hi, hello, good morning everyone. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about land degradation and conservative measures or conservation measures. So, let me revise in short. So, land degradation it is one of the major problem which is mainly caused due to continuous use of land over a long period of time without taking appropriate measures methods while using or utilizing, and even uh, conservative measures as well as management of land, it is not given importance while using the land, so it leads to land degradation. So land degradation it is mainly caused due to the some of the problems as we quoted earlier, that is mining, overgrazing, then deforestation, then quarrying, then other kind of activities which are directly involved by man. So each kind of work in the particular reason has created land degradation, particularly as we quoted in the previous session. So in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa, so land degradation is mainly caused due to mining. Then in the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, land degradation is mainly caused due to overgrazing. Then in the states of Punjab, Haryana, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, land is being degraded due to over irrigation. So after knowing these reasons for the land degradation, now in today's session, let's discuss what are the conservative measures we have so that we can control, we can prevent land degradation. So some of the important measures where we can implement or adopt to prevent or to overcome from the land degradation. So the most important is afforestation. Afforestation. So regular chopping of trees for the purpose of converting the timber into the other finished products leads to deforestation. Deforestation. Now, in order to increase area under forest and in order to create ecological balance, so first means to be adopted for conservation of land degradation or for preventing the land degradation, it is afforestation. And also proper management, proper management of the land where it is reserved for grazing purpose, that is proper management of grasslands or grazing lands. So excess grazing by cattle leads to the absence of grass. When grass is going to be absent, then it leads to uh, the erosion of soil due to the natural factor as well as human factor. So then third important mm, uh, uh, means or measure where we can prevent land degradation, it is uh, stabilization of stabilization of sand dunes, sand dunes by by growing growing thorny bushes. Stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. So as I told earlier, excess grazing or cattle, when they go on grazing the grass, it leads to the absence of grass, and absence of grass leads to the degradation of mm, land, and it may leads to the formation of land into the wasteland, where sand is the major part of the reason or major part of the land. So it can be prevented, where the importance or it can be reduced by growing bush ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ಪೊದೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಮರಗಳನ್ನು, ಮರ ಅನ್ನೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಆ, ಫಲವತ್ತತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೆಜರ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ waste land. Proper management of waste lands. So land is being wasted, though it is very fertile, flat, and even best suitable for carrying agricultural activity and other activity. Though it is best in nature, it is given importance for other purpose, though they are not important, then the land is going to be wasted. For example 10 members can live in one house. 10 members of the family can live in one house. If all the 10 members goes on constructing houses respectively, 10 in number, then the land available for agricultural activity or the other activities, it is going to be given importance for constructing the 10 houses. Then the like this, the suitable land is going to be given importance for the other purpose, hence it is going to become waste. That's why proper management, proper means and measures need to be adopted to utilize the land for mm, suitable means and measures for development, instead converting or making the land into waste. Then fifth one, controlling mining as well as quarrying activities. Controlling mining and quarrying activities. So mining and quarrying is the two important methods or the procedures where land is taken as primary resource for extracting the mineral deposits and fossil fuels from the different layers of the earth. So when mining or quarrying is given importance, then the surrounding area where mining is being carried, then it is going to be treated as waste land or unfit land. That's why mining is also the important activity, and at the same time management of land for the other important primary activities need to be given importance. That's why controlling and adopting, implementing or introducing scientific means and measures for extracting or taking out the uh, minerals available in the different layers of the earth need to be given importance for adopting or implementing. Then sixth one sixth one, industrial industrial disposal or waste. Industrial disposal or waste need to be adopted proper treatment before releasing to water or into the land. Water or into the land. So these disposal or effluents released from the industries need to be given treatment, or proper means and measures need to be adopted where the effluent can go through the different stages where harmful kind of materials need not be released into either land, either to water or water resource. So other than this, we can also adopt various means and measures where directly or indirectly we can involve ourselves in conserving the land resource for the better maintenance of ecological balance. So let me repeat once again. So we were discussing about land degradation. Land degradation means continuous use of land over a long period of time without taking any appropriate scientific means and measures, and also to conserve and manage the land. So this continuous use leads to land degradation. So land degradation is mainly caused due to the different activities directly or indirectly we take part with with the nature or with the land resource. So the important reasons for land degradation, it is overgrazing, mining, quarrying, then deforestation, then saline and alkaline deposits, and other kind of reasons or activities which we create harm can be listed as the reasons for the land degradation. Then after discussing about the land degradation, so conservative measures for land controlling or preserving the land resource can be listed as follows. Number one, afforestation, that is increasing the area under forest. So it improves the land availability for the other purpose, as well as it most importantly it maintains ecological balance. Then proper management of uh, land which is available for grazing purpose. Then stabilization of land sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. Then management of wasteland. Then controlling mining as well as quarrying activities. Then industrial waste or industrial effluents before releasing to land or water need to be treated. And other than this, we can also quote various other useful means and measures or methods to conserve the land uh, resources. So after discussing these many, then tomorrow session we will discuss about the most important part of land, that is about soil. So up to that, have a nice day, and thank you one and all.